Well, yeah, another video starting with me talking and driving. Plan tonight is to shoot with the Milky Way. We have the perfect conditions, barely no clouds, no moon until midnight. The sun's going to set at 6 p.m. That's giving us a lot of time to shoot with the Milky Way. Going to get the core in the beginning of the blue hour, so I might scrap the whole blue hour just to focus to put all of our energy on the Milky Way, and I might get some colors of the blue hour and the Milky Way at the same time. We're going to shoot at the best location ever for Milky Way on this planet, the Atacama Desert.
Music.
Music. It's a bit bumpy.
Why is the sky so clear here? Do you know? I know there's a lot of factors. Some of them are the altitude and also the fact that it's one of the driest places on Earth. So I know there are other things, but these are two main factors. So you basically have almost no sky throughout the whole year. The moon has been rising almost an hour later. Yesterday we did the moon rising, actually 2 days ago also, and it was super different. Today we know we have a lot of time to shoot with the Milky Way as it will slowly move. We might get the Milky Way almost straight as the moon will start rising, so we'll have like a glow in the Milky Way. We'll see.
Which means that tomorrow we'll get the straight Milky Way without the moon.
Exactly. We won't get the core because it's too high in the sky. The stars are so bright, it doesn't really matter. Like even the other end of the Milky Way is just super bright and shining and amazing. Like we can basically shoot in any direction with the Milky Way and we get really beautiful shots.
And we just arrived on the spot. We still have a bit of sun, so we're going to try to do a bit of giant sunsets because I brought the 400 millimeters and we haven't used it yet. Let's try that. The mountain in the back. Hello? Hello? too like up and down. It's hard to, like, we need that perfect alignment. And as we have mountains far away, like it's hard to get the sun above the horizon with the right colors. It was too like brown. Usually we get super deep orange colors. Couldn't get that tonight because the sun is too high.
Okay, maybe that's gonna collapse actually.
Are you afraid?
Yup.
I'm going. Take this, I'm going.
There's another one there.
Oh, really? Okay, well, take this, I'm going.
No, you're not.
I'm not going in the hole. I want to go in the hole.
No. We have something else to do.
I want to go in the hole.
Non, mais c'est parce que ça va peut-être collapser.
Là, je me trousse par la main.
Oui.
T'as raison.
Mais oui, c'est ça.
Sortir.
Exact.
Okay, I'm not going.
Thank you.
What a fail for the giant sunsets. Didn't work at all. Why are you hiding behind this big... Feels so weird to not shoot at the blue hour. Like, this is our prime time usually. But we're not doing it because we're nearly ready to go to shoot with the Milky Way over there. Just waiting a few minutes. But I want to be the right spot. That's the thing, that like, the sunset is over there and Milky Way is over there. Direct vers la caméra ici. Voilà.
Okay.
You look cold.
I'm a bit cold, actually. So we just finished our first spot with the Milky Way. We're moving.
As it's going up, I'm going to put Kim on a rock, on a big rock, and I'm going to be down, so I might be able to do some cool framing with that. We'll see. Going just over there.
Je te pointe avec le tigre.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to increase my ISO to 1,000,000, or like whatever the max ISO can go, and just do a short test shot just to know exactly where's the Milky Way in my framing. Yeah, this is my test shot, so I might put Kim somewhere over here, or I don't know yet. And we're done with the second spot. And that's the result. I want to move because I'd like to be lower, and this spot doesn't allow me that. Also, we've been shooting very wide angle since the beginning. I guess we could go for the 85 like right now. And it's starting to wind, so it's getting cold for Kim. I did a test shot, and like we can really see the heart of the Milky Way, which is looking great, but that's quite a hike to go up there. At 85 millimeters I have to be super far away, so that trick with the 20 seconds fixed exposure time is going to work great. Are you okay? How fast is that, eh? It's getting warmer! Okay, the last spot was at 85 millimeters. It was great with the Milky Way, super out of focus. And I also add a 24 millimeter lens shooting in the same spot, so two totally different compositions, but exact same timing, same settings. And now it's time for
La sopita!
La sopita. 10:30, we just finished eating and we're going back because the Milky Way is nearly straight and it's very cold now. It's gonna be hard, especially for her. But it's gonna be a quick one, 15 minutes, and we're back and we're sleeping here in the middle of nowhere.
It was so worth it. It was so worth it to get outside, even if it was cold.
I can't feel my feet anymore. I'm so frozen. Okay, so that's so interesting. Like we shot for just like 20 minutes. That was very short. But the Milky Way is currently straight, and we shot in both directions. Like in that direction, it's closer to the core, but it looks so much better on this side. And it's actually the first Milky Way we got in Uyuni last year. Like I recognized the shape, and tonight it's really looking good. So I think that the last picture we just did is like one of my favorite from tonight. So and
Yay!
great pose
Can't
again.
wait to see.
Okay, now it's time for herbal tea, like hot water.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move.